Hello friends, welcome back to Trend Tech Guide. In today's video, I'll show you how to share a Canva design on WhatsApp quick and easy. So, let's get started. First, open canva.com on your browser or the Canva app on your phone. Then, go to the design you want to share. In my case, I'll pick this one. Now, tap the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the options, tap copy link, and just like that, your design link is copied. Now open WhatsApp, go to the chat where you want to share the design, right click in the text box, click paste and hit send. That's it, you've successfully shared your Canva design on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Trend Tech Guide for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching.